So we're out here in Ocotillo Wells, finna put in a rolling gate install. Fixed gate on this side, rolling gate to cover this property to where they can pull the trailer in and out if need be and park a vehicle. And we're gonna start digging some posts over here. We're gonna strap y'all down and let y'all come for the ride, and hopefully give you some insight on how to build a rolling gate. Since I didn't see too much online, we gonna give it to you here at Desert Restylers.
Don't you know having faith is a substance of things that you don't see? But trust me, you gon' see the fruits of your labor. Trust in the king and my focus on laser. Walking in purpose, I'm blessed and I'm favored. I tried to go fall in love with the paper, till you show me love that will never waver. No one can give me the food that you cater. Tried to move fast and regretted it later. Long as I'm focused on you and your truth, I know I'll get the fruits of my labor.
All right, so here in this first clip, you're gonna see Q digging the holes for the 4x4 posts. They're about 18 to 24 inches in diameter. They're 24 inches deep. That way we can add the concrete around them. He also has a 2x4x8 with him. That way he can gauge where he needs to dig the next hole. Not be perfect, but just gauge it out. That way we can screw the 2x4x8 centered on the 4x4 post, and then we'll attach the fence planks to that. Now, when we get to the end, we'll make an adjustment because it won't be 8 feet. But also, the customer has a existing gate that we'll be reconstituting at the end of the fixed portion of the gate build as well. And you'll see all that later. All right, so we can grab some tools, pull this gate off right quick so we can get some good sizes on where it's going to go. Here, pull this off. Like I said, we're gonna repurpose this gate. Gotta take it off. Get to the hardware. Let's see here. Okay, looks like I gotta get some pliers. Channel lock. And he was asking because it's a shorter gate than what is being installed, and I'm thinking like it's all solid here, metal. So if I take this wood and I frame up another foot with a brace just to give us something to screw to with some L brackets, or even countersink the holes and shoot some screws into it, it's gonna hold, and then you can repurpose the gate, which is gonna give you a lot of functionality, easy access to your property without having, like I said, to unlock and roll that big gate all the time. And we got slippage, so we gotta get it all loose to where these things will slide off and lift off of here, just like so. And we'll end up pulling all that off, obviously, and installing this gate at the end. So right now I got Q packing down the dirt. We got our lines ran. We are running the posts. We are putting water in the hole. And then we're using our Fast Set Red Bag Quikrete. I'm using this little cheap level doohickey, but it's fire. You can push it on here and get everything right where you want it, right in between the lines. Trick is with these Shot Out Harbor Freight, blessing that you're a company, you just want to press it tight against the wood. You want to make sure, because it's plastic, make sure it's to the contour of the wood. Just give you your tightest level. All right, push things over just a hair, then that's when you pack it. Always checking your level. Got it within like I said, we're going for 16ths, but we're within an 8th. And now that we packed it and it's moved a little bit, it's right on the money. So we're gonna just, you know, continue to press forward. Like I said, putting water in the hole, getting your hole nice and wet first, pouring your Quikrete in it. We're actually using a crowbar. You want to use something that's can stab into the concrete as it's setting. You know, got the crowbar right there, and then hit it down and mix it real good as you're going. 24 inches down, and that's solid work. So we'll keep digging, or keep laying posts, I mean. All right, so we got all the posts in, all in line. Set the gate up, made the gate all out to where we had the right room for it. Everything's touching the strings. So now we're gonna start setting up our 2x4s. They'll be butted up in the middle and screwed from the exterior. And we'll let that dry, and tomorrow we'll set the metal fence post and where the rolling gate is actually going to slide, the slide for the rolling gate. Got everything pretty much straight down the row. So, hallelujah, all praises be unto the Most High. And we're going to continue to push forward. All right, so we got the fence posts up. Now we're gonna start installing the planks using 1 1¼ inch screws, exterior screws. Capping the end right here. We got our line ran. You can see the line. And we're just gonna run it down with about 1/4 inch space in between all of them. Here we cap the corner of the fence, all nice and neat. So we'll get all that screwed in all the way down today. Probably be, well, not all the way down today, but you know what I mean.
Jimmy on the beat, boy. E on the beat, boy.
So we got most of the planks up. We're gonna get them up today. All the little planks keep going. Got a few more. Everything on that gentle slope. Got some screws. So that pretty much wrapped it up for day one of the build. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to get all the latest notifications for when we post content. Now, part 2 of the build, we'll be fabricating the steel fence posts and the railing systems for the actual roll behind gate. So make sure you stay tuned for the weekly uploads. Shalom and Baruch. Peace and blessings, and thanks for tuning in.
They said if it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. They said my time's wasted if I ain't chasing a bag. But Pops told me never chase nothing. Only here to lead lost souls to the kingdom, that's facts. I only focus on the kingdom, and everything else that I need, I know it will attract. If I lose it all now, I know he'll bring it right back. I ain't worried about the cars or the clothes or the plaques. Even if I ball and count big stacks, I would never put that before, you know I won't get attached. Cause that would never last though. You wrapped your arms around me like a lasso. You went and painted the picture Picasso. Oops, Picasso, you made my heart grow. A lesson I learned from the seed is it starts slow. Trust me, you gon' see the tree if you look close.